God is nature. Okay, that's maybe one of the most important formulations that has made Spinoza very famous. What does this mean? Spinoza was a 17th century Dutch philosopher who was born into the Jewish community, but later excommunicated. He is one of the only and first people that we know in the early modern period who lived completely without a religion. And he made a very big point of not publishing the Ethics until his death, although it was completely done, and we know this. We know that he finished writing it about 5 years even before he died. He put it at his desk. He refused to put it out because he was afraid of persecution, and yet he wanted to talk about God. If God, as the infinite structure of reality, permeates everything, insofar as he is infinite, it's inconceivable that he would be overcome. That's what makes him God. That's the whole idea. That's why we call it God. In that sense, nature can't be overcome in the sense that everything always has to happen according to its laws. It would be inconceivable that something would defy the laws of God or nature. Spinoza says you can't really be a rationalist and you can't really be a God-loving man if you do not accept that everything is absolutely necessary. These religious people who want to talk about miracles as aberrations of nature, or sometimes God suddenly intervenes and suddenly his laws aren't good enough and he has other laws, Spinoza is claiming that this is the height of blasphemy. And this is exactly what religions get wrong. A religious will can very well be a rational will, but then it has to stay rational all the way. It can't accept something like a miracle. It can't accept something like an aberration. It can't accept, this is what I'm going for, free will.